Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix annotation scale making text and dimensions disappear using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your hidden drawing labels on your current setup session so your measurement notes stay visible at any zoom size. Step 1. Locate your hidden text in your main model space. The first step is to jump back to your main dark drawing board where you sketch your shapes to confirm that your missing text words still exist inside the file memory card. Move your mouse pointer down to the bottom left edge of your screen workspace. Click once on the tab that says Model and zoom your screen out until you find your original drawing. Highlight one of the text words or measurement lines that went missing on your layout sheet to make sure it lights up with small selection squares, because you need to make sure the words were not accidentally deleted from your project. Checking this main board confirms that the data path is still active and that the problem is just a visibility rule mismatch inside your print window boxes. Without this step, you might waste time typing new notes when your old ones are simply sleeping behind a visibility filter. Step 2. Turn on the Global Visibility Helper switch. Next, you need to use a quick toggle button at the bottom of your screen to command the software engine to show every piece of smart text regardless of its size settings. Move your cursor down to the tiny row of icons at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Look for the symbol that looks like a single blueprint triangle standing by itself and click on it once. Watch the triangle icon closely to ensure its background changes to a bright blue color, confirming that the master visibility rule is now active. Because when this helper button is turned off, the program engine will automatically hide any text that doesn't match your current viewing scale number perfectly. By turning this switch blue, you create an open viewing lane on your screen canvas. It forces the system to reveal your missing notes immediately, so you can select them and apply a permanent fix. Step 3. Add your active print scale to your selected text. Now you need to open up your side settings panel and tell your selected notes exactly which layout zoom sizes they are allowed to appear in. With your missing labels highlighted, click your right mouse button once, select the word Properties, scroll down to the row that says Annotative Scale, click the tiny square button on the right, and click Add. Look through the pop-up number list, highlight the exact scale rule you are using for your paper print window, like 1 to 50 or 1 to 100, and click the OK button. Because your smart text will completely vanish if it does not have your active layout size registered inside its individual option box. By manually adding your print number to this preference checklist, you align the background counting rules perfectly. It is the key step to getting the right output because it tells the computer memory card that this text belongs in that specific print box view. And that's it. To fix annotation scale, making text and dimensions disappear, you must first go back to your main model tab to find your hidden text blocks. Then you look at the bottom right utility row and click the single triangle icon until it turns blue to force all your notes to show up on your screen canvas. Next, you go into your Text Properties row and add your exact print window scale to the Annotative List Manager. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.